Good luck.
Oh no! Test time! What do I do?
This'll be easy.
Ugh, what now? Oh, answer's gotta be here. Yep. Huh? What's this mess? Where are the answers? How's this thing even work?
Oh boy. My cheat sheet only works with special glasses.
Whoa, thanks. Whoa, everything's so pink. Wait, is this the same paper? Oh, now I see.
See what exactly?
Nothing really.
Hand it over. Huh. What is this? Here. Focus on your test.
Alright. This cheat sheet rocks.
Wrap it up.
Huh? What's she up to now?
No way! This is wild!
Can I see?
Nope.
Oh yeah? Hey! Psst! Teacher!
What? What is it?
Guess who's got a laptop in class?
Oh! What? Young lady out! Now! Snitch! You're so done!
Ugh, I didn't mean for her to get kicked out. I'll fix this. First, color this paper like so. Cut in half. Let's build. Glue the edges, like this. Bottom's done. Let's top it with this cover. Not bad. Now the top half. Grab this sticky frame. Prep it for glue. Done! Flip it. And stick it here. Press those edges tight. Let's add ears and a cute kitty face. Aww. Time for spring bits. Pop them in. Make the keyboard next. Connect the pieces. Bam! Cutest mini laptop ever! Ooh, she's back.
Ready to pay for that, snitch?
Sorry. Here, it's for you.
Give me that. Wait, what is this? Whoa, it's adorable! And it works?
You like it?
Shush, I'm gaming here. Teacher's not taking this laptop. Awesome!
Snack time. Let's eat. Yum. So anyway, wait, what are you doing? Me? You know snacks aren't allowed, right? Didn't know. Still gotta take it. Hand it over. Aw, man.
Oh no! I got sweets too! Gotta hide it! Wait, I know! Let's make a candy bow. Snip snip, like this. Now clip it on like this. Whoa, not bad! Ta-da! Sweet little bow.
Hey, I want one too.
Okay, fine. Here.
Looks tasty. Oops. Snuck-in candy again, huh? Nope, it's just a bow. You wear bows now? Huh. Looks cute. You're so gonna pay. Ew! What is this flavor? Ugh, gum's dead. Huh?
No flavor, no mercy. Bye, gum.
Ooh, that gives me an idea. Wait, stick it under the desk? Ew, gross! Trash and stuff ain't my vibe. But I know just what to do. Grab a cup, snip here. Perfect. Slide in a little cardboard. There. Take a second cup. Trim it too. Stack them. Test the fit. Lid on. Tape it up. Mini trash bin done. This is where gum goes.
Huh? What?
Watch this. Now ditch your gum too.
Or what?
Nothing, just saying. And now it's clean. Ooh, gotta write this down.
Hey! Work, you stupid thing! Ugh, phone's dead.
Oh no! Phones aren't even allowed!
No worries, I'll save it.
Huh? Who's got a phone?
That's mine.
Yep. Oh, she's always got a phone. Whatever. Thanks.
Focus on class now.
She saved me. Gotta thank her. Wait. Start with pink. Now blue. Nice. Cut the shapes out. Add some fun little details. Cute face. Nailed it. Blushy cheeks. So adorable. Fold the base. Do a back trick. Glue around the edge. 3D magic. Time for magnets. Yes! One for each half. Boom! Custom charms, baby! So cool. Psst.
Huh?
Here.
For me?
Look, it's cute, right?
I guess. Okay, it's actually really cute.
Alright, today's portrait drawing! Whoa, awesome! Hold up! Make sure it's even! Start now! Okay, got it! Yeah, like this. All done! Do you like it? Huh? Ew, no! Do it again! Ugh, fine. Let's science this. Perfect lines. This better? Still no! Do it again! Ugh, I'll prove I can do it. This one will be… Oh no! Dang it, now what? You're failing! How am I supposed to draw now? Get back to work. Wait, I've got an idea. Who needs a pencil anyway? Grab a cup. Add some soap. Mix it up. Now a drop of paint. Nice. Wrap a napkin on the straw tip. Tape it tight. Dip it in the mix. Now blow. Whoa! Way cooler than pencils! Let's do the other side. Done! How's that? Let me see. Whoa! That color blend! Amazing! Good job! Okay, I'm so ready. Ew! Ugh, paint spill! Help me, I hate messes! Seriously? Don't waste paper. What do you mean? Gross! Paint's such a pain. Wait, I got it! Cut the top off the bottle. Paint this cardboard oval. Slap on a thick coat. Perfect! Add glue to the caps. Stick them around the oval, like that. Now fill each one with paint. Let's go! More colors is more fun. This no-spill palette is genius. Time to try it out. Paint pickup smooth. Now I can chill and paint. Close up the unused ones so the paint stays fresh. I'm a total genius.